The top 3 signs that your personal brand is losing your opportunities. This is something that none of us want. We want that our personal brand should get us some more newer opportunities, be it business owners or professional job seekers or professionals who are into jobs. Are you also someone who thinks that your personal brand is working against you? In this video, I'm going to share 3 such tips that will help you build your personal brand again and also help maintain it. But before I dive into the topic, I would request you to please click on that subscribe button because I keep coming up with so many such videos that will help you build your personal brand not only online but also offline. Getting back to the topic, discussing about how you can get more opportunities while building your personal brand. The very first thing that I would like to discuss over here in this video is that people in today's date and time are there on multiple social media platforms. Now there's this one thing that could actually be hampering their growth, because when somebody is present on multiple social media platforms, it's very important to be consistent. Your online profiles are inconsistent. What I mean to say over here is that you need to have a similar picture on all of your social media platforms. It is important to not have different looks at different places. The second is to have your bios also similar at all these different platforms. It helps people recognize you better and also relate with who you are. If somebody who saw me on LinkedIn and somebody who checked my YouTube profile or my Instagram profile might not get the authenticity of it being me, only if my bios and my profile pictures were different on all these different platforms. It's important to maintain consistency over there. Another one important thing that people forget while maintaining their online profiles is that they should also be consistent with their messaging. Now, when I talk about messaging, I do not mean that you have to promptly respond to every single message that comes across your way. It is important that you address each of those messages on any of the online platforms, but at the same time keeping your tone very authentic and keeping it similar on all the different platforms. If there is somebody you are talking to over LinkedIn, in a very professional tone, and to the same person you talk over Instagram in a very friendly tone, it might confuse your audience and at the same time it might not create a good impression about you. You may be perceived as a very different person, and while building your personal brand, it is important that you avoid such differences. The second and the most common thing that many people even today do is that they avoid sharing their achievements, thinking that it's bragging or boasting about themselves. In today's time, everything is digitalized and everybody is present on social media. There are so many places you could reach out to, so many people you could reach out to globally if you share your achievements. Sharing your achievements is not boasting, it is about talking the right thing and with a subtle and humble tone. Even writing things about your achievements is a good thing. It increases your credibility. It also increases the trust of the other people in you. It makes them believe that you are the right person that they should be approaching for whatever field of work you are into. So sharing your achievements is not always bragging if it is put in a humble and a very suitable tone, whilst not forgetting to be your authentic self. The third tip is about your elevator pitch. We've all been listening to people talking about elevator pitches. We all know what elevator pitch is. If you don't, please go back to my earlier videos where I have shared about what an elevator pitch is. I'll also try putting it somewhere over here so that you can just click through it and know what it is. When somebody is giving their elevator pitch and it has the other people asking, "Oh, okay, tell me again, what is it that you do?" Or if they don't say anything but they have a very confused look on their face, it clearly means that you have failed at delivering your right message. It is important to rework over your elevator pitch. Your elevator pitch needs to be very strong in the very first go. The elevator pitch has been given this terminology only for a certain reason, because it means that people have very little time and in that time frame they wish to know the most about you. So delivering an impactful elevator pitch is what will help people understand you better while at the same time also enhancing your personal brand. These are some ways that you can grab the opportunities that come your way. Like the saying goes, opportunity once lost can never come back. So be very mindful about these very simple yet very meaningful things to increase your brand value and build a great personal brand. If you like this video, please do not forget to click on that like button and also share it with as many people as possible. I keep coming up with many such videos that shall help you build and maintain your personal brand in a way that you might have never thought of. And if you wish to build your personal brand, just comment the word brand in the comment section below or click on the Google form link that has been shared in the description box below. I will go through your Google forms and reach out to you. Please make sure that you provide the information as apt as possible and help me to help you with the right information and seeing if I am a good fit for you or not.